Hey IG Garage family, is your engine not performing as smoothly as it should? Got that dreaded P0015 code popping up? Don't worry, you're not alone and you've come to the right place. Today, we'll decode this issue, pinpoint the sensor location, and get your car running like new again. Stick around because this might save you a costly trip to the mechanic. P0015 stands for Camshaft Position Timing Over Retarded, Bank 1. This means the camshaft on the intake side of your engine isn't adjusting its timing as it should, and it's running behind schedule. If left unchecked, it can impact your car's fuel efficiency and performance. Location is everything, and here's where it gets important. The camshaft position sensor for Bank 1 is usually located near the top of the engine, on the cylinder head closest to the intake camshaft. It varies slightly by vehicle make and model, but this is your go-to spot. Here's the sensor. Look for any issues like loose connections, damaged wires, or oil contamination, which are common culprits for the P0015 code. What causes this problem? A few possibilities include a faulty camshaft position sensor, oil flow issues due to a clogged oil passage, or a malfunctioning variable valve timing solenoid. Symptoms: you might notice a rough idle, reduced power, or even poor fuel economy. Start by inspecting the sensor and its wiring. If it's dirty or clogged with oil, clean it carefully. If the sensor is damaged, replacing it is often the best solution. Check your oil levels and quality too. Dirty or low oil can affect the variable valve timing system performance. Finally, clear the code with your scanner and take your car for a test drive. That's how you solve the P0015 code. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to IG Garage for more DIY car fixes, and don't forget to share with your fellow car enthusiasts. For more tips, check out these videos. P0031 for oxygen sensor troubleshooting and P0263 for injector circuit diagnostics. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.